Okay, today we're going to look at the Motorcraft oil filter number FL816 and the Denso oil filter number 150-2002. And you can get both of these oil filters at Rock Auto. The Motorcraft costs $4.17 and the Denso costs $3.36. And they both fit the same vehicles. These two are going to duke it out, and when the dust clears, we'll see who the winner is. So let's get started. This is something where you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight. Get your inner here, filtration right in here. Okay, let's start with the Denso. We'll start with the box. Features: durable steel housing, efficient paper media, reliable anti-drain back valve, special formulated rubber O-ring, delivering a leak-resistant seal. Made in China. We'll open her up and see what she looks like. And the date code is DD31. And this is printed. She has a plastic covering here. You can get it off. Okay. Yeah, that's a shiny O-ring. It's nice. Oh, it's shiny because it's got a little bit of oil film, I think, on it. It's nice, so you don't have to pre-oil these when you put it on. And this looks like it's on here nice. This is on here nice. This don't come off too easy. Yeah, this is a nice O-ring gasket. Yeah. Yeah, it fits right underneath these lips. I remember these. These are nice. And I see a metal core with holes. I see a bypass valve down there. She has 6 inlet holes. And I believe these are silicone. I don't know. We'll see when they open it up. Yeah, that's nice. It's a nice O-ring. I like that O-ring gasket. Alright, let's try the Motorcraft. Let's see. We'll go with meet Ford's new vehicle warranty requirements. Drain back valve. Oh, not too much information there. Let's open her up and see what she looks like. And she has a date code 9033122125. And this is a sticker. Yeah, printed in USA. Contents made in USA. Okay. And this one has 8 inlet holes. It has a metal core with louvers. And looks like a bypass valve down there. Rubber nitrile O-ring, which is on there pretty good. It comes off fairly easy, but it's on there pretty good. Okay, this Denso a little bit smaller, but you know, I didn't know it was a smaller filter when I ordered them. But they fit the same vehicle, so I say we open these babies up and see what's inside. Okay, let's start with the Motorcraft and we'll see how much she weighs. 6.9 ounces. And the Denso weighs 8.3 ounces. Wow, heavier yet smaller. More compact. Okay. How about the base plate? 3.3 ounces for the Motorcraft. And 3.9 ounces for the Denso. A little heavier. Let's check these guys out. I believe the Denso has more threads. You can see it protruding here a little bit. Well, they both do, but I think the Denso's got just maybe one more thread more than the Motorcraft. And the Denso's got 6 inlet holes, but they're bigger, whereas the Motorcraft got 8 smaller inlet holes. So they probably equal out. But I like the O-ring on this Denso. It's a nice O-ring. Nice base plates. And see the anti-drain back valve on the Motorcraft. This is rubber. Nitro rubber. And on the Denso is a silicone anti-drain back valve. Yeah, silicone. And the filter media. Well, I counted 48 pleats. And this is a cellulose polyester blend media. Nice and clean though. The pleats are spaced evenly. Nice metal end caps, bypass valve. Not bad. And the Denso, I counted 66 pleats. Metal crimp seam. And this one's also nice and clean. Metal end caps. Bypass valve down here. And this is a paper filter media. But it's clean. I like this. Nice and clean. I wonder what the weight is. The Motorcraft is 1.9 ounces. The Denso is 2.4 ounces. Yeah. Well, I counted 66 pleats on this one. So a lot more filter media. Even though the Motorcraft's a little bit bigger, but you can see a lot more space here. And Motorcraft's got a stamp leaf spring, where the Denso has a coil spring. Let's check out these cans. .4 is average. The Denso is a little harder to open up, so thicker can. No, it's pretty thick. 0.6. Yeah, that's probably 0.6. That's pretty thick. Let's check these out. Yeah. Denso is definitely thicker. And let's measure these guys. Motorcraft is 1.72 inches wide, 2.21 inches wide that way, and overall length is 2.10 inches, 2.10. And the Denso, is 1.43 inches. Wider this way, 2.45 inches. And 1.82 inches this way. Yeah, the filter media, this one's, they look similar. This one's, like I said, a polyester blend. And this one's just a paper media, that's what it says. I say we cut these babies open, see how long they are, compare them, and go from there. Be right back. Okay, here they are all stretched out. And the Denso is 63 inches long. And the Motorcraft is 20 inches shorter, 43 inches long. And here they are zoomed out. Okay, so here's the seams, and Denso stayed together, but the Motorcraft fell apart, so I just put the crib seam right there. Okay, I made this video a while ago, before I started measuring the filter media thicknesses. The Motorcraft filter thickness on this one is 0.83 millimeters, and the Denso filter thickness is 0.65 millimeters. Okay, back to the video. And the filter medias, there's not much to say about them. They're not the greatest. These are low-cost oil filters, so not really much to say about these filter medias. But before I opened them up, I thought probably I'd like the Motorcraft better, but I think I like the Denso better. I mean, you got silicone anti-drain back valve, coil spring versus a stamp leaf spring. You have more threads on the base plate, holes versus louvers. So I don't know which one I would pick. How about you guys? Which one would you pick if you had to choose between these two oil filters? Well, I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.